it's restricting a view to a very narrow understanding of human beings. So I would see humans connecting many more aspects than just utility maximizing rational human beings. Because I'm an interdisciplinary person, so for me different perspectives on humans are always relevant.
I'm famous simplisticus. No, simplisticus, simplicity, yeah.
Homina ecologica, I'm definitely thinking about how to be Homo ecologicus, even if I have a heavy footprint. Yeah.
Well, first I would be mulier economica, and not only economica, but I would be much more multidimensional.
Well, I would say Homo politicus, Homo socialicus, Homo naturalicus. Many. I can't name one because we're not one.
Homo pluralis.
I'll probably see myself as a political economist, so in this particular field of political economy, which is within Australia we have disciplines within our universities which foster political economy economists, so that's where I sit.
Okay. So I suppose I would be Homo socialis.
I'm a political economic person.
To look around you, to see the leaves, the flowers, smell the air, the sea, to remember that you are part of nature. Because at one time you really knew, when you were a child, or you knew what it meant to be a part of nature, but you are forgotten along the way. That's the problem. Yes. And step out of your economic model. It's okay. Your economic model can be a friend that you talk to sometimes, but you don't have to. It hasn't to be your house that you live inside all the time. But look around in the world. It is not so scary. Yeah, because you have so much to offer. If you look out of the box and not only appear as Homo economicus.
But I never met any Homo economicus, I mean, except in the textbooks. It's like, because people are multidimensional. I mean, when we teach multi-criteria, for instance, because multi-criteria methods are an attack against cost-benefit analysis.
That you, Homo economicus, don't behave in your actual life as you assume people do behave.
It's one relevant way that sort of frames behavior, and I do not deny this. I think it's still important in nowadays market economies that we respect and see this is also an important mode of behavior and influencing behavior. So all these getting the prices right, it's still a part of the whole picture that we have to admit in nowadays society. But there are a lot of different value systems, a lot of different ways people behave, and even, I mean, economics is developing this respect and working a lot with psychologists on behavioral patterns and so on. So you just have to widen your horizon and really respect all the other ways of what influences human behavior.
Okay. Relax.
I would start with the question: what are your real needs? What really makes you happy? What is the time when you really feel good? And does the four-wheel drive, do you really need it? And do you think that if the politicians are maximizing their well-being and their welfare, do you think that we can rely on a representative democracy as a way to really achieve sustainable society?
You're welcome, you're a part of myself, but only a small part.
I would think that you're not human. Sorry.
Fine.